Hello and welcome to your fourth HTML programming tutorial. In this tutorial, I will be teaching you about how to use positioning to give your web page an interesting look. So, positioning has to do entirely with dividers. The dividers, you'll have a different divider for each position. So, what we're going to need to do is for this, we're going to need to make another divider. And what you do is you type the usual div and /div, enter. For this, I'm only going to keep, you know what, I'm going to delete the padding. I'm going to change the background to orange, just for demonstration purposes. I'm going to change it to a width of 150 and 550. So, there is a CSS thing that allows you to decide where you position this in the screen. It is called position, and for that you have either relative or absolute. I use absolute most of the time is what I decide to use. So then that basically gives you the ability to use two new CSS commands, top and left, which position the left top corner of your divider near a certain distance away from the left and top corner of your program. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to type top 30 pixels, and I'm going to type left 30 pixels. So if we save this, boom, then we open it up and refresh this, it came to orange, the padding disappeared, and as you can see, it is now 50 pixels from the top and 50 pixels from the left of this screen. So that's all cool when you're positioning one thing, but you can use it to make multiple dividers connect to make a web page. So if we minimize this, I'm going to copy all of this stuff inside your CSS and put it in this one, and style equals and paste, and that should give you all this. And I am going to change it to, from a width, I'll change it to 400, and I'll change it to red. So, and now, if I did this and I run it, save it right here, and refresh, it only shows one of them. So, wait, I'm going to see. So if you save it now, and you open up your website, and you refresh it, you've got this other one. But it doesn't really do much, because this one is kind of taking up its place. So what we need to do is if we position it at a different place, so if we position it much further left, say 200 pixels left, and then save that, you will, when you run this, you will get something wrong, which is, here's what I did. I mistook this here. This style here, I made a mistake. You're going to need I'm cutting that out because you don't want that there. You want that in the this div for the next one. I'm sorry about that. So, yeah. So now it's Henry, we're going to move it into here. And now if you run it, my point will be much clearer. Because before it was wrong. Now we have this one box positioned 30 from the top and 30 from the left. And this other box positioned 200 from the left and 200 from the top. And because they're positioned like that, there is no overlap, which you can have like links here and the content for your page here. And this is the basic design for pages. You can have dividers within a divider and do that. You can have more than 2 dividers. You could have like one here, and then have a bottom footer. Basically, the possibilities with this are endless. I will see you in the next tutorial. That's it for this tutorial. So, bye.